Okay, here we are. 6-3. 6-3 is a reinforcement of 6-2. 6-3 is now saying we have a quadrilateral and you trying to prove it's a parallelogram. So it deals with all of the rules and their converses. So that means they give me a picture and I'm using the rules to prove it's a parallelogram, okay, which is the converse. So I'm taking all of those rules I've learned, we call them theorems or postulates, and we're going backwards with them. So you would have to tell me, oh, well, because the opposite sides are congruent, then it must be a parallelogram. Or because the diagonals bisect each other, it's a parallelogram. Because my alternate interior angles are congruent, then it's a parallelogram. Because I have one pair that are parallel and one pair that are congruent, the same pair, it's a parallelogram. So you're taking all the rules you've learned and you're applying the exact same math. The difference is, excuse me, the difference is you are now proving why it's a parallelogram. 6-2, they told you it was a parallelogram, you applied the rules. Now you're looking at the rules and saying, yes, it is a parallelogram because these rules exist. Or it's not a parallelogram because it doesn't fall into one of the rules. All right? And 6-3 is more of a review. So this was a quick lesson. It's looking at a picture and going, wait a minute, that has one pair of diagonals congruent, not two pairs. Or that has one pair of diagonals being bisected, not two pair. If it had two pair, then it was a parallelogram. One pair does not make a parallelogram. All right, so understanding what you're looking at and then telling me why or why not. This all is based on congruency marks. So please make sure you know your pictures. Okay. Again, there's no new information. It's just reversing your thinking. Looking at a picture and going, hey, that's one of the rules. I can apply it. It's now a parallelogram. All right? So the notes for 6-3 are really basic. There are none. You already have them. It's just understanding that now we're going to take those rules and prove it's a parallelogram, whereas before they told us it was a parallelogram and we use those rules. Again, do the lesson check on 6-3. Come to me with any questions tomorrow, and have a good day. We'll deal with 6-4 tomorrow.